Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, have a Google account and verify site ownership. Next, create a GA4 property and copy the measurement ID. This lets analytics collect data. Once done, decide how to add the tag to WordPress. Either install a reputable plugin that supports GA4 or prepare to paste the tag into your theme header. Make sure to pick the method matching your skill level and back up your site before editing files, because that prevents accidental downtime. Now implement the tag and configure settings. If using a plugin, install, activate, and paste the measurement ID into the plugin's GA4 field. Enable enhanced measurement to track scrolls, outbound clicks, and file downloads. If adding manually, insert the GA4 script into header, PHP, or a site-wide hook, then save. Once done, open Analytics Debug View and WordPress real-time pages to confirm events sent correctly. Make sure to adjust cookie consent and finish by verifying data and configuring conversions. Create custom events or mark existing events as conversions for key actions like form submits or purchases, and build audiences for remarketing. Link GA4 to Google Ads and Search Console to share data across tools. Once configured, monitor traffic for 24-48 hours to ensure stable data. If things go wrong, troubleshoot using browser console logs, the network tab to see measurement requests, and plugin conflict checks. These methods quickly reveal missing tags or JavaScript errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.